Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make ice cream bread. So simple, and there's always 2 ingredients, so let's get started. Alright, get a large mixing bowl and put in like 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. Now, what I do is I'll soften it, well, kind of melt it, but put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and give it a good stir, but you can even leave it at room temperature, it's up to you. Then 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. To get a protein and just give it a real good spray. And then put the mixture straight in. Now put this in the oven at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. Check it out for 30, but it might take about 50 minutes, but just check it out there about 30 and then should be done. Alright, that's done. Now, it was also quite like a flat bread, so yeah, but still, this is perfect. Now just leave this for about 15 to 20 minutes to cool down, and then slice it, and then we'll start eating. Look at the insides. This is absolutely perfect. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for ice cream bread. As you can see, look at the inside. They're like perfectly nice bread, and yeah, so many people doesn't even know these. So yeah, I mean, it's just a real simple recipe. So it only takes to take 2 ingredients, and it's so simple. So enough about that. Let's give it a taste. Oh. Tastes very interesting. But it's still really good. So, yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.